Good evening, all. Welcome to our channel by name Learn and Earn Digital World. So, today on Friday, that is on 12th of November 2021. This video is for the post-closure analysis of the Bank Nifty index. So, we'll discuss about the how was the movement and what was the trend for option buyers, which strike price we need to choose based on the current future premium which is running on the Bank Nifty. Directly we'll jump into the Bank Nifty future chart. As you could clearly see here, Bank Nifty future chart for 25th of the November expiry date. So you can see here 12th of the November today's date. See, coming to the future chart, as soon as the market opened at 9:15, the price was future price was around 38,700. So very easily it made a high up to 150 points. And then see, if there is any trend going on in the market, if you are in the middle of the trend, then don't ever take a trade or don't ever enter the trade. You just have to wait for the reversal of the trend. That is the very key point here. See, if you wait with heavy patience at 10 o'clock, you can very easily see the one of the candle or indicator, one of our moving average indicator has very given nice signal of what I can say downtrend confirmation. So you can either enter in this trade for the put option for the buyers, that is nothing but 38,800p. So if you enter in this trade, very easily it has given approximately 200 points in the future. So we'll check the option chain data chart for this strike price, that is 38,800. I will open that chart and we will see how much points it has given in the around 10 o'clock in the morning. 38,800p was the strike price. So you can see here around 10 o'clock 400 was the premium. So it has given as soon as see the concept of entering the trade here is that is nothing but this is called scalping trading. Whenever if there are two consecutive green candles have been formed along with the confirmation of either one of the candle, one of the indicator, moving average indicator, you can enter in the third candle. See, as you could see here, the candle duration is 3 minutes here. 3 minutes is the duration of the candle. I will mention again, I will repeat it again. See, as you could see here, at 10 o'clock there are two green candles formed, and at the third candle, as the candle is opened above this green line indicator, you can enter this trade. That means at 400 or the current premium, you can take it as entry price, and then you have to, this will be the entry point with the proper stop loss of approximately 40 to 50 points as the stop loss. And then the exit point will be just you have to wait for the formation of two red candles. When there are two consecutive red candles have been formed, then easily you can exit, or else you can exit with minimum of 100 to 125 points, because here it has taken it has given very ample time to book a profit of above 100 points. In the same trade, if you are having if you are a big capital trader, you can, in the same trade you can go for this selling, that is nothing but the option selling the same strike price with one lot. Every broker is considering 2 lakhs as the capital for positional selling. I always suggest for the selling to be done on positionals. Don't ever sell the options on intraday, because even if it is very volatility market, intraday will be very soon, the timings will be closed. So better always go for positional selling trades. You can, if you go in the same trade, if you sell the same trade at 500 or 500 premium, very easily you can capture 200 points here, 100 here and then 200 here. If you are not having that much capital, again you can go for the buying in the call option, as the uptrend is confirmed around 11:30. We can check here, same thing what logic I mentioned. We need to wait for formation of two consecutive green candles, and then the candles has to be opened above this green line indicator, then you should wait. See, at 11:15 time, current future price was approximately around 38,600. We'll check the 38,600 CE chart. See, 38,600 CE chart, the premium was around between 350 to 375. So very easily, if you enter around 375, again easily you will get 100 points here, 475. Even because this is still, there is no confirmation, even there is no the candles opened below all the three combination of these three indicators. Very easily you can wait here. Between this time you have to trail your stop loss to the just below the cost price what you have entered here. So this is the complete analysis of the Bank Nifty chart. And even in we'll discuss the Nifty as well as three stocks analysis in the separate video. And to get the more information about the option chain data in the Bank Nifty, we are having on blog for all this option chain data as well as current strike price, so we can refer our blog and all those things. If you like the video, then please do like the video and share it to your friends. If you are visiting our channel first time, then do subscribe our channel so that you will get the notifications as soon as we upload any videos. Thank you so much for watching the video.